Okay.
Well, Jane didn't come out, huh?
Oh, they are good. Oops.
Oh, no. No.
Crazy Leroy. Yeah, we got him on the stand-up paddleboard now.
Oh yeah?
Leroy. See a
Good
little
swimmer?
Yeah, no. I got a life vest for him.
Oh.
No more, no more. Your paw gets red.
Run, Leroy.
Okay? Oshimai, oshimai.
I'll get the tennis ball now. Yeah, I got it already. How's that? The army crawl.
Little bit better. Getting better.
How's it supposed to?
Good job, Leroy. You're doing the army crawl. I'll get you ready.
For 2 more weeks with antibiotics. And then he becomes okay. Then 1 more week. 3 more weeks.
Oh, you know what I was thinking? I was trying to find when those guys were playing.
Yeah?
I think maybe the 2 main guys were born in 1986. Then they would be 22 years old. You think they're 22?
Which one? The skinny one?
I think the 2 main guys. Who are the 2 main guys? The singer and guitarist and another guy.
Singer is about 22.
So maybe that's why.
The other guy is a little more old. Little older.
I saw something. I was looking at. They have a. I don't know if it's YouTube or MySpace or something, but they don't put when they play. A lot of people, most groups, when they have that kind of site, they'll have a calendar, but they don't have any contact information. But they have a site like who they like and their music.
I checked, but I couldn't find anything. That they come up, the picture was there, and they are singing. That's
Yeah, you can hear some of their songs, right? Like 3 of their songs.
Yeah.
But I just, for some reason, I thought maybe they're born in 83, or one of them.
No, 86 they made that the group. 86. So it's older. Maybe that the skinny guy is about that age.
I got it here. He did a somersault for me. You have some more water? Here you go. Here you go.